Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily remove indicators on your TradingView platform. So let's say I'm going to add indicators right real, a relative strength index, okay, and I have like these indices here. So two ways how we can do it. The first way how we can remove indicators from your TradingView platform is just right click on it and then remove indicators. That's the first way how we can do it. Another way how we can remove indicators is if you would go on the left side and then click on arrow here and remove indicators. So there are actually two ways how we can do it. Now I remove my indicator and voila, here I am. Or I can click here, right click, remove indicators. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day, and goodbye.